Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Nidu. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber and fashion creator based in Texas. If you're new to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for sticking with me. So today, my beautiful daughter is going to be doing my makeup. And I'm so excited. She did the makeup for me once. It was quick and easy. And I was like, you know what, let's just film it. It might help someone who is on the go and wants something really nice, simple and quick. So let's get started.
So I'm going to be showing you the things I'm going to use to do my mom's makeup. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss by Rihanna. And then I'm going to use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit for her eyebrows. And then for the brow gel, I'm going to use the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel. And then I'm going to use this Colossal Kajal for her eyeliner. And this concealer, because it's a super simple makeup, this Pro Concealer, it's super popular and it's super inexpensive. And then this Revlon lip liner. And then this like Laura Geller New York lip gloss for extra shine. So that's maybe. And then this like little Dior lip gloss for, it's best to have like a little mascara if you have little eyelashes so it could really pop. So this one right here. And that's the products I'm going to be using today. So let's get started.
I'm excited.
We're going to start with the LA Girl Concealer. Right here and up, because it's 2021. You want like the elevated Bella Hadid look, like a kind of a fake facelift. But concealer isn't really one size fits all, because some people might have like bigger dark circles and they might need more concealer to cover it up. So really it just works for you. So now, for the minimal, because it doesn't really need that much. Right here too, and right here. And then I'm going to blend it in, and then we shall come back. So as you can see, I already put concealer right here and blended it in, and a little bit at the top of her forehead and then the bottom. I'm not really a makeup guru. I don't really do makeup, but I know a little bit of tricks that I've learned. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more, because all we're gonna use today is concealer. I'm gonna put a little bit because she doesn't need that much coverage. But everything you want to do, you want to be going up so you can get like a fake facelift. I'm gonna blend it all in, and then a little bit of on her nose. Then we'll come right back and start with the brows. So we're back. As you can see the difference, her face looks brighter. I just only use concealer, nothing else, just in little places, like not even in large amounts because she didn't need that much. Then I'm gonna go in and start doing her brows. I'm gonna first brush them up because you want you just want to keep going up, a facelift. You don't want to droop your face down, like a laminated look. So always brush your eyebrows up. Well, that's what I do. That's the side right there. I'm only going to fill it in a little bit at the sides. That's what she needs. Still going up and light strokes, so you want a natural look. Conceal a little bit at the edge of her eyebrow, because refrain yourself or release yourself from the shackles of concealing under your eye. You just need a little bit, but also depends what works for you. But I'm only gonna do the sides just a little bit. And we're filling her other eyebrow.
I'm done, literally like this, I'm fine. I can just go out like this. Put a lip gloss, I'm done. Easy, easy.
Well, I'll conceal a little bit right here. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I put a little bit of concealer at the sides right here because that's what she needs, and right here, and I'm gonna shade it in, or like blend it in, I mean. And then I'm gonna come back and do her eyeliner and her mascara and lip gloss, and we'll be done. So I'm about to do her eyeliner. She only likes a simple look, so it's gonna be a swift one, like at the top of her eyelashes, nothing extra, in the waterline, and maybe a little bit in her corner, but we'll see. Her eyeliner is already done. I'm gonna go in with this mascara for her bottom and not the top because she already has eyeliner, so you won't be able to see it anyway. But if I were to recommend the mascara, I would recommend the L'Oreal Telescopic because it's really good for people with short eyelashes. It makes it look darker, fuller, and just longer overall, better. So that's my favorite one. That's the one I use. So we're just gonna quickly do the bottom. And then we're gonna come back and go in with lip gloss and lip liner. Fenty Beauty. This is how it looks, by the way. This. The shine a lot more right now. So this is her natural look because she likes something super simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna come back with a thumbnail and finish this off. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I know it's not like the full glam, but my mom likes simple, and so that's what I usually do too. We just do simple makeup. And I hope you like this video. As you can see, she's all made up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching again. Subscribe below. Don't forget to like and comment and share so we can get some new subscribers.
And turn on the notification bell, okay? Like I always say, what God cannot do does not exist. See you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.